In order for ICE to be able to legally detain someone, they need to have a judicial warrant that's been signed by a judge. And they have most often been operating on I believe it's called a civil warrant, which is just signed by an ICE officer. And that doesn't give them authority to detain someone or to enter a home or anything like that. So they've often been just circumventing the legal system by not getting that. And this is stuff that, like, at first, when things first started in beginning of December, the people they were targeting had no idea. Like, they were like, "Oh, it's immigration control. Yep, we're legal. We can open the door and show them our documentation." And then the door would be opened and the agents would burst in and detain the person despite them having legal documentation.
So why is that happening? If they're just targeting immigrant people to deport them, even if how do they determine to do that house, and then the purpose of them entering the house is just to remove them, or what do they think they're entering the house for?
That's a great question. I I don't know exactly what they think they're entering the house for. It would seem from the way that from their patterns of activity that somehow they have a list of immigrants and they're targeting people because they're immigrants. And initially they would say, like, we're going after criminals, but it's become increasingly apparent that they're targeting all immigrants and not just immigrants with criminal records or activity.